Welcome to Right Tuition Classes. We are on lecture number 3 of Geometric Revision series of 2 marks. Okay. Now, question number 13, we continue. We are done up to question number 12 and we started. Question number 13. In the figure, chord AC and chord D. Can you see this chord AC and chord D? They intersect. INTRSEC, intersect at point B. Got it? In the figure, chord AC and chord D intersect at point B inside the circle. Angle AB, just have a look at this angle AB, children. Angle AB equal 108 degrees. Okay? And measure of AE. Just have a look at this arc, children. This arc A. This arc A is how much, children? This arc A is how much? 95 degrees. 95 degrees. And they wanted to find measure arc DC, this green arc. They wanted to find the measure of this green arc. They wanted to find the measure of this green arc. Okay. Now, how will I find this arc D, children? DE. Okay. Just have a look at arc D. Okay. So simple, children. People should remember. I taught you one theorem, children. Okay. We have learned one theorem. Okay, what is that theorem, children? I'll tell you. Given an angle whose vertex lies inside a circle, like, angle AB, its vertex B lies inside a circle, and it has a vertically opposite angle. You can see it has a vertical opposite angle. The measure of that angle is half the sum of the arcs intercepted by the angle and its vertical opposite angle. That is, please have a look here. This question number 13, I'm doing the solution of it. Okay, children? Vertex, just have a look at vertex B. Okay? Vertex B of angle ABE lies inside a circle. Lies inside a circle. Lies inside the circle. So naturally, what happens, children? Therefore, okay, angle ABE equal half. Okay, measure arc A. AE is the arc intercepted by angle AB. Now for angle AB, which is a vertical opposite angle DBC, which is arc intercepted by arc DC, plus measure arc BC. Okay, given an angle whose vertex lies inside a circle and it has a vertical opposite angle, then measure of that angle is half the sum of the arcs intercepted by that angle and its vertical opposite angle. Naturally, therefore, angle ABE equal, what will happen? Half. Okay, I'm so sorry, children. They are given us a measure of this angle ABE. You can see here, they're given us a measure of this angle ABE. So what is measure of angle ABE, children? What is measure angle ABE? Okay, 108 degrees. So I'm going to put 108 degrees, okay, equal half. Okay, and what is measure arc A, children? Measure arc A is 95 degrees, okay? Plus, what is measure arc DC, children? Measure arc DC is what we want. Arc DC is what we want, okay? So now you can see here, children, this 2 gets cross multiplied. 108 into 2, 216 degrees is equal to 95 degree, okay? Plus measure arc DC, plus measure arc DC. Now you can see here, children, plus 95 degree comes this side. 216 degree minus 95 degree is equal to measure arc D. Okay. Now when you subtract, children, you can see here 6 minus 5 is 1. 21 minus 9 is 12. So this is 121 degrees. 121 degree equal measure arc DC. Measure arc DC. So I hope people have got the answer. Measure DC is measure DC equal 121 degrees. A very simple sum. I'm sure everybody has understood it. Okay. We go to the next question number 14, children. Okay, children. When I look at it, children, draw, the question is like this. The question says, question number 14 says, draw circle at center Q. Draw circle at center Q or center O, you can say. You take it as center O. And draw an arc AB of measure 100 degrees. Draw an arc AB of measure 100 degrees. Draw tangents to the circle at A and B. So I told you always, children, the step one is always to draw a rough figure. So just a rough figure, children. Rough figure means, I hope people understand it, okay? Just a rough figure. O is the center. Now, draw an arc with center O. Draw an arc AB of measure. Draw a circle with center O. Draw an arc AB of measure 100 degrees here. Yeah, but they want you to draw an arc AB like this, such that this measure of arc AB is 100 degrees. Measure arc AB is 100 degrees, okay? Then they want you to draw a tangent at A and tangent at B. Got it? They want you to draw tangents at A and B. They want you to just draw tangents at A and B. This is a tangent at A, children. And this is a tangent at B. Okay, they want you to draw tangents at A and B. They want you to draw tangents at A and B. So listen, this is your rough figure. Once again, I repeat, children, those who didn't get it, please have a look at it. I'll first draw one circle rough figure. Okay, one circle I'll draw. That circle center I'll name that circle. This is a rough figure, children. Okay, I'll name that center as, I said O. Okay, they want me to mark an arc on this circle such that measure arc AB is exactly 100 degrees, children. And then they want me to draw a tangent. They want me to draw a tangent at A, like this, a tangent at A and a tangent at B. They want me to draw this tangent at A and tangent at B. Now, how can I do this? Okay, children. So you can see here, children. Question says, draw a circle at center O. Now, have they set the radius of the circle? No. That means you can take your own radius, okay, and draw one circle, okay? They want you to draw a circle. They want you to draw a circle. They want you to draw a circle with center O. This is your figure, okay? Actual figure, a circle of any radius you can draw because they're not mentioned the radius, okay? Then they're saying, draw an arc AB of measure 100 degrees. You know, children, measure of an arc is always equal to, look at the rough figure. Measure of an arc is always equal to measure of its corresponding central angle. If this arc AB is 100, angle AOB is 100. So what am I going to do? I'm going to draw, please have a look at 100-degree angle at O. So first step, I draw one straight line like this, okay? I draw one straight line like this. I'll name this as O and I'll name this point as B. Got it? Now I'll place my protractor at O. Place my protractor at O and draw the obtuse angle, okay, of 100 degrees. Draw an obtuse angle of 100 degrees. So when I draw this obtuse angle, children, okay, exactly this angle is 100 degrees. When I draw this, I mark this A and this is 100 degrees. Then please have a look here. Measure of a corresponding central angle is also equal to measure of arc AB. So measure arc AB is also 100. Now, you know, you draw a tangent at A. How will you draw a tangent at? Take A as center. Adjust your compass to suitable radius, cut arcs on either side, okay? Take these points. Suppose this is X, this is Y. Take X as center, radius more than XA. Draw an arc, cut an arc. Try Y as center, same radius. Draw an arc. Now draw a line passing through point of intersection of these arcs and A. This has to be your one tangent. Okay, this has to be your one tangent. Okay, you should know, children. You should know. This is one tangent. This again, my rough work only. I'm just trying to show you how we go about it. Okay? In the same way, children, draw a tangent at B. How will you draw a tangent at B? Adjust your compass to suitable radius. Cut arcs on either side of B. Okay? B as center cut arc. This is X. This is Y. Just to help you understand, I name it X. X as center, radius more than XB. Draw an arc, okay? Y as center, same radius, cut back an arc. Now draw a line passing through point of intersection of the arc and B. And this is your tangent. This is your tangent and B. Okay, so this is actually the question was draw an arc AB of 100 degree and draw tangent at A and B. So same thing I have done. Okay, measure of a minor arc is always equal to measure of its corresponding central angle. So I got an idea how to get this arc AB of 100 degrees. I just mark at the center, I draw an angle of 100 degrees. Where the angle intersects the circle, those points are A and B, and arc AB is automatically 100. Then I draw a tangent. They say draw a tangent at A and B. I draw it. Got it? They are not said intersecting and all. Just draw tangents at A and B. I have drawn it. Okay. Now we go to the next sum. Now we go to the next sum, children. We go to the next sum. Question number 15, children. Measure some angles are given in the figure. You can look at the figure, children. Measure some angles are given. This angle APQ is 60 given, ABC is 60 given. And they want you to prove this AP upon PB equal AQ upon QC. So simple, children. What I see, very simple. I would like people to pay attention here and be careful here. See here, I draw this, okay? I draw this angle, okay? You can see here, children, what is given? This is your A, this is your P, this is your Q, this is your P, this is your C. This angle is given as 60 degrees, this angle is given as 60 degrees, and nothing else. They want me to prove AP upon PB equal AQ upon QC. How can I prove it? So I feel it's easiest, okay? So see here, children, the given information is a hint. This angle is given as 60 degrees. Why did they give? So see here, okay, I'll just show it to you. Okay, angle, you can see here. They want me to prove that, okay? So I call it as a, sorry, it's not a solution, I'm sorry. I'll call it as a proof, okay? Now, they want me to give a proof for it. So proof, just have a look at this. Angle APQ is congruent to angle ABC, each is 60 degrees. But these are corresponding angles for segments PQ and BC on transversal AB. Now remember, children, if the corresponding angles formed on a transversal are congruent, then the lines are parallel. Therefore, segment PQ parallel segment BC by corresponding, I call this as 1, by corresponding angle test, by corresponding angle test, by corresponding angle test. Now please look at your triangle ABC, the easiest of the sums, okay? Now look at your triangle ABC, correct? Segment PQ is segment parallel to segment BC from 1. But look, when a line is parallel to one side of a triangle and intersects the two sides, divides the two sides proportionally, therefore AP upon PB equal AQ upon QC. Can I say by basic proportionality theorem, by basic proportionality theorem, by basic proportionality theorem? Such a simple question. I hope everybody understood this, okay? Many of them may go for similarity and all. You can go for similarity and try to get this answer, no doubt. But in that, it will become a very lengthy affair, okay? This is the easiest and shortest, okay? We go to the next sum, question number 16. Just have a look here. Question number 16, you have to just find the distance between points A. A coordinate is 1, comma minus 3. B coordinate is 2, comma minus 5. So, distance between 2 points, you should, why am I doing it again and again? You should know the formula, children. X2 minus X1. Distance between 2 points is root of X2 minus X1 the whole square plus Y2 minus Y1 the whole square. So what will happen, children? You can see it for yourself. Okay. What will happen is you can see distance between A and B equal root of X2. X2 is what, children? Minus 1. Minus y minus 1 the whole square plus root of y2 minus y1. Hey, sorry, children, what did I do? Okay, you can clearly see this. Okay. Once again, you can see a root of x2, 2 minus 1 the whole square. y2 minus y minus a minus 3 the whole square equal root of, distance between A and B equal root of 2 minus 1, 1 square, plus minus 4 plus 3, minus 5 plus 3 is plus minus 2 the whole square, that is 4, minus 2 the whole square. Okay, I'll just write a minus 2 equal root of 1 plus 4 equal root of 5 units. Okay, what is the distance between the two children? You got it as root of 5 units. Okay, now we go to the next question, children. Next questions here. Question number 17, children. A very simple question. Prove that the angles inscribed in the same arc are congruent. Children, angles inscribed in the same arc are congruent. ऐसे सम्स क्वेश्चंस करे जो प्रूव दैट ऐसे स्टेटमेंट फॉर्म में है, उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं राइडर, ए राइडर फॉर्म में। जब भी ऐसा राइडर फॉर्म में आएगा तो आपको 5 चीज करना है। आपको फिगर ड्रॉ करना है इसका क्वेश्चन के हिसाब से, आपको गिवन लिखना है, आपको प्रूव दैट लिखना है, आपको कंस्ट्रक्शन रहेगा तो कंस्ट्रक्शन लिखना और प्रूफ। 5 चीज है तो एक छोटा क्वेश्चन, लेकिन अभी इसमें करना तो पड़ेगा क्योंकि ये ऐसा राइडर फॉर्म में है। तो याद रखो कैसा समझेंगे आप लोग। ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दिस वर्ड आर, ये एंगल्स है करके आर है, सिंगुलर है तो ई आता था। ये आर का पहला जो है वो डायग्राम ड्रॉ करने में मदद करेगा। एंगल्स इंस्क्राइब्ड इन द सेम आर्क। ओह, आई कैन इजीली ड्रॉ दिस। एंगल्स इंस्क्राइब्ड इन द सेम आर्क। आई जस्ट ड्रॉ वन सर्कल. Okay, and what I'll do, angles inscribed in the same arc. You can see here, this angle is an inscribed angle. Everybody will agree. Okay, such an angle whose vertex lies on the circle. Look, this angle ABC, vertex B lies on the circle, and its two sides intersect the circle. Such an angle is called an inscribed angle. It's inscribed in arc ABC. Now, also you can see here, children, this angle when I draw, this angle, if I draw here D, if I draw this angle, okay, if I draw this angle, you can see here, children, angle ADC. This is also an inscribed angle. And both are inscribed in the same arc ABC. See, arc angle ABC is an inscribed angle. It's inscribed in arc ABC. Angle ADC is an inscribed angle. Inscribed in arc ADC. आर्क एबीसी और आर्क एडीसी दो अलग नाम है लेकिन एक ही आर्क का नाम है. Different names of the same arc. So I can call it as arc ABC. No, that doesn't matter. So you can see here what is given. Given is this picture top. Okay. Angle ABC and angle ADC are inscribed in the same arc. Inscribed in the same arc ABC. Inscribed in the same arc ABC. आप देख सकते हो. ओके, आप इसको एडीसी भी लिख सकते थे, What do you want to prove that? Prove that angle ABC congruent angle ADC. Now prove, children. You can see here this angle ABC. This angle ABC is an inscribed angle. Okay, what is this inscribed angle ABC equal to? Hey, don't take it, angle ABC is an inscribed angle intercepting arc AC. So angle ABC equal half measure arc AC. I call this as 1, and this is inscribed angle theorem. And look at angle ADC. What is angle ADC equal? Angle ADC equal half measure arc AC, stated number 2 by inscribed angle theorem, by inscribed angle theorem, by inscribed angle theorem. Now look, both these angles are inscribed angle. Whenever you see an inscribed angle, you should think of inscribed angle theorem. Measure of an inscribed angle is half the intercepted arc. So ABC is half arc AC. Even ADC is an inscribed angle. ADC is half arc AC. Right hand side same hai. So angle ABC equal angle ADC from 1 and 2, children. So can you see angles inscribed of angle ABC congruent angle ADC? So remember the proof is over. Angles inscribed in the same arc are congruent. Are you getting me? So you have to write like this. Therefore, angles inscribed in the same arc, inscribed in the same arc are congruent. Angles inscribed in the same arc are congruent. Okay, angles inscribed in the same arc are congruent. Okay, now listen, we go to the next sum, children. Question number 18. Question number 18. Children, just have a look here. This question number 18. Very simple. Prove that. Okay, 1 upon 1 plus sine theta plus 1 upon 1 minus sine theta equal to 2 sec square theta. तो पहला मैं लेफ्ट हैंड साइड लिखता हूँ. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड क्या है? 1 अपॉन 1 प्लस साइन थीटा प्लस 1 अपॉन 1 माइनस साइन थीटा. अभी देखिएगा, जब अलजीब्रा में, मैथ्स में फिफ्थ स्टैंडर्ड में सीखे 1 अपॉन 2 प्लस 1 अपॉन 3 रहेगा. ऐड कैसे होएगा? द डिनोमिनेटर्स विल गेट मल्टीप्लाइड 2 into 3 and cross multiply. 3 into 1 is 3 plus 2 into 1 is 2. The same thing here, the new denominators will get multiplied. 1 plus sine theta into 1 minus sine theta, and here cross multiplication. 1 into 1 minus sine theta is 1 minus sine theta, plus 1 into 1 plus sine theta is 1 plus sine theta. So you can see here, minus sine theta plus sine theta gets cancelled. 2 upon, this is a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. I can write it as 1 square minus sine square theta. But what is, according to identity, 1 minus sine square theta is cos square theta. So it will become 2 upon cos square theta. 2 upon 1 upon cos square theta is sec square theta. So can I say this is 2 sec square theta? This is what you want, right inside. So rewrite the question. 1 upon 1 plus sine theta. 1 upon 1 minus sine theta equal to sec square theta. Very simple question, children. Now we move on to question number. Let us see. Is 12, 13, 37 a Pythagorean triplet? Question number 20 says, so when I do, bigger number is 37. When I do 37 square, it is 1369. Are you getting me here? And, okay, you can do it like this. 40 minus 3 the whole square. 1600. 240 is 80. 83 is 240 plus 9. So 1600 minus 240 is, you can easily get it, 1360 plus 9. 1360 plus 9 is 1369. So 37 square is 1369. Then 12 square plus 13 square, when I add 144 plus 169, I get 313. Hey, 1369 is not, 37 square is not equal to 12 square plus 13 square. The bigger square of the bigger number is not equal to sum of the squares of two smaller numbers. Therefore, the numbers 12, 13, and 37 is not a Pythagorean triplet. Okay, children? Very clear? Now we go to the next sum, children. Question number. Find a point on y-axis which is equidistant from the points a 6, 5 and b minus 4, comma. Find a point on y-axis. So let me name this point. Let A be the required point on the y-axis. Let A be the required point on the y-axis, on required point on the y-axis. Okay. Now remember, A lies on y-axis. Now, therefore, x coordinate of A equals 0. Why? Children, any point which lies on the y-axis has its x coordinate 0. Y coordinate, let its y coordinate be k. Okay, therefore, A coordinate is 0, comma k. Got it? Let A be the required point on the y-axis. Therefore, x coordinate of A is 0. Why x coordinate of A is 0? Any point on the y-axis has its x coordinate 0. And let its y coordinate कुछ भी हो सकता है, मालूम नहीं. So let its y coordinate be k. So A coordinate is 0, comma k. तो अभी आपको k का वैल्यू निकालना. So what is given? A is equidistant from points. A is already named. So let us not take this point as A. Let this point be taken as M. Let this point be M, children. Let this point be M. Okay. Now just have a look here. Okay. Let this point be M. Let M be the required point on y-axis. So x coordinate of M equals 0. Let its y coordinate be k. So M coordinate of M is 0, comma k. Now M is equidistant. Therefore, M is equidistant from A. What is the coordinate of A? 6, comma 5. What is the coordinate of B? Minus 4, comma 3. Therefore, M is equidistant from A, comma B. Therefore, MA equal MB. Now, this is, please keep in your mind, MA will be in root side. MB, the root goes off. Okay, so what it will be? Therefore, by 2 minus y1, the whole x2 minus x1, the whole square, like MA. Got it? MA by 2 minus y1, x2 minus x1, the whole square. So what it will be? 6 minus 0, the whole square, plus k minus 5, the whole square, equal 0 minus of minus 4, the whole square, plus k minus 3, the whole square. Okay, root sign goes off. Okay, this can be taken as 0 minus 6 or 6 minus 0. So ultimately this is 36 plus, when I simplify this, k square, a minus b the whole square is a square, minus 2ab, 2 5s are 10, minus 10k, plus b square, 5 square is 25, equal 0 plus 4 the whole square is 16, plus k square, 2ab, minus 2 into k into 3, minus 6k, plus 9. So k square gets cancelled, minus 10k plus 6k is equal to 16 plus 9 is 25. Okay, and here also this will become 6 minus 25 minus 36. So this is minus 4k is equal to minus 36. So k is equal to minus 36 upon 4. 4 nines. So minus k is equal to minus 9. Therefore, k equal, what is that? K equal 9. So what is the value of k, children? K equal 9. We got a value of k as 9. K as 9. K equal 9. Therefore, what is the coordinate? Required coordinate? M coordinate is, required coordinate is M. M coordinate is 0, comma 9. This is the answer, children. Got it? Now we go to the last of this question, children. The last question in this, I just drawn it, I marked it, and I wrote this here till here. Just let's have a look here, children. Area of triangle PQR. When in this triangle PQR, when I say RQ as a base, PS is a height. And when I see PR is a base, QT is a height. So this base and height दिया है, ये base दिया है, लेकिन उसका corresponding height पूछा है. So I realize I'm going to use this area of triangle, area upon area equal base into height upon base into height. That is area of triangle PQR upon area of triangle PQR. I know it's going to get cancelled, but QR base into PS height upon PR base into QT height. This gets cancelled. 1 equal. Okay. Now what is QR? 6. What is PS? 6. What is PR? 12. And what is QT? We don't know. But 6 ones are, 6 twos are, 2 ones are, 2 threes are. So 1 equal 3 upon QT. So QT equal 3 units. You just wanted QT, children. QT equal 3 units. A simple question, children. Only thing you should have patience to understand it. Anyhow, children, we finish this. Okay, we'll see the other sums in the next lecture.